Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today on MyTV. I'm Laisia Sakumbo. The Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama arrived at the Chifley Island of Lakemba this morning as he continues his tour of Lau Province. The visit began with an inspection of the Ratumara College, where Commodore Bainimarama inspected the school's facilities, reiteration government's commitment to the education of children in Fiji.
Commodore Bainimarama emphasized the importance for education for the future well-being of the nation, and he called on parents to show greater commitment towards the education of their children. The Prime Minister is also expected to visit Ratu Finau Secondary. From Ratumara College, Commodore Bainimarama is headed for Tumbo Village, where he will sit in a Talanoa session with villagers, a communication strategy used by the government to closely consult with the grassroots. He will also inspect the housing rehabilitation projects at Vakano, Nasangalau and Yandrana villages. The Prime Ministerial delegation departed for Onyata at 2 o'clock this afternoon. A Talanoa session will also be held at Waingori village and will include a visit to the school and nursing station.
The Chifley Wanirewa clan traditionally apologized to the Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama as he arrived in Lakemba this morning. The traditional Vakamataningasau, together with the Vakasombu, or traditional welcome, was accorded to the Prime Minister by a delegation from the Chifley clan at Lakemba Wharf. The island men sat in a solemn group towards the end of the wharf, where the IFNS Kiro was berthed and where the Prime Minister was to disembark. The gathering symbolized a humble apologetic peace offering from the Vanua of Lau to the government. Reverend Uriah Longavatu from the Toka Toka Nayavu Toka of the Chifley Wanirewa clan said they were saddened that their Vanua was linked to the recent destabilizing events of national implications. Fijian fugitive Ratu Tevita Mara hails from the Wanirewa clan of the Tuinayau. Reverend Longavatu noted that they were ashamed of recent events because they knew that government has been good to them. They begged for forgiveness and acceptance, saying government was good in bringing developments to the province. Commodore Bainimarama willingly accepted the apology, saying that it was time to put the past behind and move ahead as a nation. He told them not to be heavy-hearted about the events of the past few weeks, saying this government will not be easily moved because they have to develop this nation. The Prime Minister said the government will continue on its development plans no matter what challenges crop up. Later at the community hall, Commodore Bainimarama thanked the clan and Tumbo village elders for the warm reception of the government delegation. Today, countries worldwide celebrate World Blood Donor Day with events to raise awareness of the need for safe blood and blood products and to thank voluntary unpaid blood donors for their saving gifts of blood. This morning, our Fiji Today news crew visited CWM Hospital and caught up with some of the unpaid blood donors as they came to donate blood as their gift to help save lives. World Blood Donor Day provides us with a chance to recognize that blood is essential to health care across the globe. The theme for this year is More Blood, More Life. This theme reinforces the urgent need for more people all over the world to become lifesavers by volunteering to donate blood regularly.
Today, countries around the world have celebrated World Blood Donor Day, raising awareness on safe blood and also blood products, and also to thank people that has voluntarily donated blood to blood services around the world. It also recognized that blood is an essential to healthcare globally. In Fiji, we have the celebration in Nandi on Saturday, but then today marks the need for people to donate blood, not only save lives of people, but also it's a good gift for those that are suffering, and something that that can be not only generous, but you're contributing to a life of a person.
Some of us give blood because we were asked by friends or family whose loved ones may need blood.
Blood is a need to healthcare in Fiji, and mostly patients that are suffering in operating theaters, and these are people that needs blood, and this is a voluntary act, and it is something that is unpaid, but donating blood, you're showing not only your generosity, but it's also a gift of life to a person that is in need in hospitals around the country.
However, Narayan from Delkusa in Nosuri said, whatever your reason, the need is constant and your contribution is important for a healthy and reliable blood supply. And he says you'll also feel good knowing that you've helped change a life.
Well, I'll give advice to anybody, whoever is the citizen of Fiji or here in the world, who can donate blood to the sick people, patients who are admitted to the hospital. Donating blood is a very good thing. It's just like you giving a life to somebody.
Blood can be donated at major hospitals and health centers around the country and is indeed a noble deed. So give blood today and help save lives. After the break, work on a new road in Vanuatu to start next week, and Muscat Cove provides its guests with organic homegrown options.